Hi, Becca, babe. How you doing? Did you take... Uh-oh, there went the binky. There went the binky. There it went. Yeah. What's this? Look at this. Oh, my goodness. Hi. Hi. Oh, is your fish tasty? Is it tasty? Yes, hello. Okay, to your sister. Are you having fun playing in the backyard? Hi, mister. Hi. Oh, good smiles. Nice giggling Mr. Beckett. Look at Finny eating her popsicle. I see you again. I see you again. Hi. Hi. Oh. Hi. I love you. Yes, I do. What's this? Oh my goodness.